Okay, usually I only get one beep beep sleep in the Jeep. We're getting two off the bat this year. I'm up on Boulder Mountain. Found my spot for the night. I'm gonna eat my dinner and then make a fire and just kind of settle in and enjoy the evening. It's been a long day and did Calf Creek Falls today. That was a really fun hike. So just gonna settle in. We'll check you in a bit. All right, there's the amber light for the S5. It is pretty nice. I'm doing sleep in the Jeep, and it makes a really nice night light. So if I need to see something or whatever in here, but then I don't lose my night vision. It was really awesome. All right, good morning. It's day 2 here. The old sleep in the Jeep here on Boulder Mountain. And kind of looking at the forecast today, and I'm not really liking what I'm seeing. I really don't want to hike in somewhere to just have to lay in my tent all day long to stay warm. This thing's going to move out tonight into tomorrow, so I think I'm going to go find another adventure today and then come back and hike in and just do an overnighter Saturday to Sunday. So having my coffee this morning, so staying warm here, put up the shelters because it looks like we're going to get a little rain today. So yeah, top of the morning to you. Okay, night 2 of sleep in the Jeep on Boulder Mountain. Went and did the Cassidy Arch Trail today in Capitol Reef National Park. The weather just wasn't looking good. I didn't want to go haul in and then just lay in a tent the whole time I was up there at Deer Creek. So we're going to go in tomorrow morning, so the weather's supposed to be much better, and we'll just do an overnighter, and then we'll head home on Sunday. It's really nice to be here. Cassidy Arch was amazing today. That was a really fun hike, and yeah, I grabbed some dinner on the way out from Tori, and now I'm just chilling, getting my fire ready and settling in for the evening, and sure nice to be here. It's been a great trip. We'll talk to you in a bit. All right, another successful sleep in the Jeep. Last 2 nights here at this campsite on Boulder Mountain has been awesome. But it's time to go walk the trail and go do some backpacking. I had originally come down for that, but the weather had changed, and then I had an opportunity to do another hike yesterday, Cassidy Arch. Doing Lower Calf Creek Falls. The first night we got in here was awesome, and just to be able to spend time here, wake up in the morning, the deer are feeding over here, and it's been quiet and peaceful and really kind of what I needed. So let's go get after an adventure. It's been awesome. We'll check you on the next one.